This lesson will describe Catch and Effort Report number 11, Reconciled Catch from Logsheets and Unloadings. Before running this report, you need to be aware that the source of the data is logsheets and unloading forms, so these need to be collected and entered into Toughman. You also need to be aware that detailed entry of the logsheets is required. The coverage of the logsheets may not be 100%. You should use the appropriate reconciliation report to identify and resolve any data gaps before producing this report. Refer to lessons on using reports for data quality control to learn about other reports in Toughman that will provide an indication of the logsheet coverage. The report automatically compensates for missing logsheet data if unloadings data is available, and vice versa. The logsheet weight data has been raised from the available unloadings data. So let's have a look at our report. To run the report, click on the Reporting button in the main menu, then click on the Catch and Effort button in the Reporting menu. Select report number 11, Reconciled Catch from Logsheets and Unloadings, as we've done here. The parameters used to select the criteria for this report are gear, we've selected longline, nationality of catch, we've selected the national fleet, and the year, and we've selected from 2008. Once we've selected our parameters, we can run the report. If you wish to be able to carry out your own analyses of the data, you can run and open the report in Excel. For our purposes, we'll simply run the report. We'll make it larger so we can easily see what's contained in the report. The report presents yearly vessel trip information for a selected gear and nationality. For each vessel, the report matches all of the available logsheet and unloadings data and presents the data trip by trip. See here by trip, and for each vessel has a separate page. The details shown are the trip dates, logsheet catch for the tuna target species, unloading date, and weights of the tuna target species unloaded. For each vessel is also shown the best combination of logsheets and unloadings, which gives the total number of trips, in this case 8, and catch by species, using all of the available information. For example, if a logsheet is missing for a trip, the report uses the unloadings information, and if the unloadings data are missing, the report uses the logsheet data for that trip. So the report fills in gaps in the data. Note that if both the logsheet and unloadings data are missing, then the trip will not be counted. This report gives better or adjusted information on a vessel's activity and total catch than the other catch and effort reports. The report's results are based on the best combination of logsheet and unloadings data, where data gaps are taken into account and filled in where possible. This is not done for other catch and effort reports. While the catch and effort report number 1 will give good, standard, acceptable report, this report will, with extra effort, give better results. The report is therefore better for calculating catch estimates than reports number 1 and number 4, and can be useful for annual catch estimates, access negotiations, external reports, and so on. The report also shows very clearly whether a logsheet or unloadings form is missing for a trip, so this can be used to track missing data and present to a company to show what data are missing. That concludes this lesson.